We are looking at 1982 Catalina C27 sailing cruiser, one of the most successful compact cruisers ever built. Only 27 feet long, this model has circumnavigated the world. Not this particular vessel, but she was built well enough to make it around the world. 4.4 draft universal atomic 4 gas engine. The condition appears to be far above average for that age. All the cables, halyards and sheets are new. Sails are not new, but snow white and no rips, no sun damage. There is a Dodger, there is a Bimini, there is a David for a dinghy. The hull is clean, no signs of dock rush or any other damage visible. And this is a tiller model, simple and reliable, with a traveler all the way aft, so you won't trip on it when entering the cabin. Okay, we'll continue with the inside view. But here's a 1982 Catalina C27. The deck is solid, no soft spots. Looks like the stanchion mounts have been sealed with silicone. The cabin is dry and clean, and inside we'll see it in a minute. Here's the Dodger. Nice umbrella main cover, and there is a built-in cover, sun cover for the jib. The roller and winches have been serviced. There's only 2 of them here and 1 more on the mast on the main. So here's the cockpit. Again, it's a tiller model with a traveler aft. There's the boom, top and lift. For electronics, there's a compass here, Lowrance Elite, the chart plotter, and the Hawkeye depth gauge. So the door has been freshly varnished, cabin entrance door. Alright, so entering the cabin. These are the cockpit cushions. Both sides and back, they go here. Here's the cabin of this 1982 Catalina C27 sailing cruiser. WD forward. Enclosed pump out head. Nice cabinets. The cabin looks and feels clean and dry. No signs of water intrusion. The floor is not soft. There's not a speck of rust anywhere or any signs of damage, abuse or neglect. She seems very well kept for an 82. These are the cockpit cushions. So you have a twin V, you have 1, 2 spaces, and I guess this is for a kid or someone you don't really like. The stove's been removed. This is where it usually goes. There's a sink, so there's pressurized water. The switches. There's a Dodger above with isinglass. Pretty new. Okay. And she feels really spacious for a 27. There's the table. Opens up like that. The motor is auxiliary motor is a universal atomic 4 gas. And there's the cockpit. She's a tiller. You got a Dodger, Bimini. There's a davit for an outboard or a dinghy. Right. 1982 Catalina C27 sailing cruiser for sale in Pompano Beach at a bargain price of $6,900. Contact me with any questions or to see it. Thanks.